Early hominids. The study of early hominids provides us with a fascinating glimpse into our evolutionary past. These ancient ancestors of modern humans lived millions of years ago and played a crucial role in shaping who we are today. One of the earliest known hominids is Ardipithecus ramidus, dating back over 4 million years. This species walked on 2 legs, but still spent time in trees, showcasing a transitional phase in hominid evolution. Another significant hominid is Australopithecus afarensis, famously represented by the fossilized skeleton named Lucy. This species lived around 3.2 million years ago and displayed a mix of ape-like and human-like features. The discovery of Lucy provided valuable insights into bipedalism and early hominid behavior. Moving forward in time, Homo habilis, known as the handyman, emerged around 2.4 million years ago. This species was the first to use stone tools, marking a significant technological advancement in hominid history. Homo erectus, appearing around 1.9 million years ago, was the first hominid to migrate out of Africa and spread to other continents. Their ability to control fire and adapt to diverse environments contributed to their success. The Neanderthals, our closest extinct relatives, lived in Europe and Asia from around 400,000 to 40,000 years ago. They were skilled hunters and made complex tools, demonstrating a high level of cognitive ability. The Denisovans, another ancient hominid group, interbred with both Neanderthals and early Homo sapiens, leaving a genetic legacy in modern human populations. Studying these early hominids not only sheds light on our evolutionary history, but also highlights the diversity and complexity of the human lineage. By piecing together fossil evidence, archaeological findings, and genetic data, scientists continue to unravel the story of our origins and the remarkable journey that led to the emergence of modern humans. Around 300,000 years ago, a remarkable species emerged on the evolutionary stage, Homo sapiens. Our species, characterized by its large brain size, bipedal locomotion, and complex social behaviors, quickly became the dominant hominid on Earth. One of the defining features of Homo sapiens is our ability for symbolic thought and language, which set us apart from our hominid relatives. This cognitive revolution allowed early Homo sapiens to communicate complex ideas, create art, and develop sophisticated tools. The emergence of Homo sapiens was not a sudden event, but rather a gradual process of evolution and adaptation. Fossil evidence suggests that our species originated in Africa, with the oldest known Homo sapiens fossils dating back around 200,000 years. These early Homo sapiens lived in small hunter-gatherer groups, relying on cooperation and social bonds for survival. As Homo sapiens spread across the globe, they encountered diverse environments and challenges, leading to further adaptations and innovations. One of the key factors that contributed to the success of Homo sapiens was their ability to adapt to different climates and ecosystems. This adaptability allowed our species to thrive in a wide range of environments, from the icy tundra of the Arctic to the sweltering deserts of Africa. The development of complex social structures and cultural practices also played a crucial role in the success of Homo sapiens. Early humans formed tight-knit communities, sharing knowledge, resources, and skills to ensure their survival. The ability to cooperate and collaborate gave Homo sapiens a competitive edge over other hominid species. Another significant aspect of Homo sapiens' emergence is the development of symbolic language. Language allowed early humans to communicate abstract concepts, share stories, and pass down knowledge from generation to generation. This linguistic ability laid the foundation for the rich cultural diversity that exists in human societies today. Genetic studies have revealed that all modern humans share a common ancestor who lived in Africa around 200,000 years ago. This genetic unity highlights the interconnectedness of the human species and emphasizes our shared history and heritage. The emergence of Homo sapiens marked a turning point in the history of life on Earth, leading to the rise of a species capable of extraordinary creativity, innovation, and adaptability. As we continue to uncover the mysteries of our evolutionary past, the story of Homo sapiens serves as a testament to the remarkable journey that has shaped the course of human history. The migration of early humans out of Africa is a pivotal chapter in the story of human evolution, shaping the genetic diversity and cultural richness of modern populations around the world. The first wave of migration is believed to have occurred around 100,000 years ago, as Homo sapiens ventured beyond the African continent into new territories. This dispersal was driven by a combination of environmental factors, population pressures, and the quest for new resources. One of the key routes taken by early humans was through the Arabian Peninsula, which served as a gateway to Asia and beyond. As they journeyed into unfamiliar lands, early humans encountered diverse landscapes, climates, and challenges, leading to further adaptations and innovations. The migration out of Africa was not a one-time event, but rather a series of dispersals and movements over thousands of years. These migrations resulted in the peopling of Asia, Europe, Australia, and eventually the Americas, marking the spread of Homo sapiens across the globe. Genetic studies have provided valuable insights into the patterns of human migration, revealing common genetic markers shared by populations from different continents. These genetic connections serve as a testament to our shared ancestry and the interconnectedness of all human beings. The migration out of Africa also led to the extinction of other hominid species, such as the Neanderthals and Denisovans, who once inhabited regions outside of Africa. Interbreeding between early humans and these archaic hominids left a genetic legacy in modern human populations, further enriching our genetic diversity. The journey out of Africa was not without its challenges, as early humans faced harsh environments, natural obstacles, and competition from other species. However, their resilience, adaptability, and ingenuity allowed them to overcome these obstacles and thrive in new lands. The migration out of Africa represents a remarkable chapter in the history of humanity, highlighting the adventurous spirit and tenacity of our early ancestors. Neanderthals and Denisovans were two distinct hominid species that coexisted with early Homo sapiens and left a lasting impact on our genetic heritage. Neanderthals, named after the Neander Valley in Germany, where their fossils were first discovered, lived in Europe and parts of Asia from around 400,000 to 40,000 years ago. They were well adapted to cold climates, with robust bodies and large brains. Neanderthals were skilled hunters who used tools, buried their dead, and created symbolic art. Recent genetic studies have shown that modern humans of non-African descent carry traces of Neanderthal DNA, indicating interbreeding between the two species. Denisovans, on the other hand, were a lesser-known hominid group discovered through genetic analysis of a finger bone and tooth found in a Siberian cave. Denisovans lived in Asia around 50,000 to 30,000 years ago, and also interbred with early Homo sapiens, leaving a genetic legacy in modern populations of East Asian and Oceanian descent. The study of Neanderthals and Denisovans provides valuable insights into human evolution, highlighting the complex interactions and connections between different hominid species. By unraveling the genetic relationships and cultural practices of these ancient relatives, scientists continue to piece together the puzzle of our shared evolutionary history. The development of language and culture represents a significant milestone in the evolution of Homo sapiens, distinguishing us from other hominid species and shaping the fabric of human society. Language, as a complex system of communication, enabled early humans to convey abstract ideas, emotions, and experiences, fostering cooperation, innovation, and social cohesion. The origins of language are still a subject of debate among scientists, with theories ranging from a single mother tongue to gradual evolution through gestures and vocalizations. Regardless of its exact origins, the emergence of language marked a transformative moment in human history, unlocking new possibilities for expression and interaction. Culture, closely intertwined with language, encompasses the shared beliefs, customs, and practices of a society, shaping human behavior and identity. Early humans developed cultural traditions such as art, music, storytelling, and rituals, reflecting their creativity, spirituality, and social bonds. These cultural practices served as a means of transmitting knowledge, values, and traditions from one generation to the next, fostering a sense of continuity and belonging within communities. The development of language and culture also played a crucial role in the survival and success of early human populations. By sharing information about food sources, hunting techniques, and environmental hazards, early humans were able to adapt to diverse landscapes and challenges. Cultural innovations, such as the invention of tools, pottery, and agriculture, revolutionized human societies, leading to advancements in technology, trade, and social organization. The diversity of human languages and cultures around the world today is a testament to the richness and complexity of human expression. Each language reflects the unique history, values, and worldview of its speakers, contributing to the tapestry of global diversity. As we continue to explore the connections between language, culture, and human evolution, we gain a deeper understanding of what it means to be human and the enduring legacy of our shared heritage. Climate change has had a profound impact on ecosystems, species, and human societies around the world. Rising global temperatures, changing precipitation patterns, and extreme weather events are altering the delicate balance of our planet's climate system. One of the most visible effects of climate change is the melting of polar ice caps and glaciers, leading to rising sea levels and threatening coastal communities. In addition, shifts in temperature and rainfall are disrupting agricultural systems, affecting food production and security. The increase in frequency and intensity of heat waves, droughts, and wildfires poses a significant risk to human health and safety. Climate change also exacerbates existing environmental challenges such as deforestation, loss of biodiversity, and ocean acidification. These changes have far-reaching consequences for ecosystems and species, leading to habitat loss, species extinction, and disruptions in ecological relationships. Human societies are not immune to the impacts of climate change, with vulnerable populations facing heightened risks of displacement, food insecurity, and water scarcity. Indigenous communities, in particular, are experiencing the loss of traditional lands, cultural practices, and livelihoods due to changing environmental conditions. Addressing the impacts of climate change requires collective action, innovative solutions, and a commitment to sustainability. By reducing greenhouse gas emissions, promoting renewable energy sources, and implementing adaptation strategies, we can mitigate the effects of climate change and build a more resilient future for generations to come. Genetic evidence has revolutionized our understanding of human evolution, providing valuable insights into our shared ancestry and genetic diversity. By analyzing DNA from ancient hominid fossils, scientists have been able to trace the evolutionary relationships between different species and populations. One of the most significant discoveries from genetic studies is the interbreeding between early humans and other hominid species, such as Neanderthals and Denisovans. These genetic interactions have left a lasting imprint on the human genome, with modern populations carrying traces of Neanderthal and Denisovan DNA. Interestingly, the genetic legacy of Neanderthals and Denisovans varies among different human populations, reflecting the complex patterns of interbreeding and migration that shaped our genetic diversity. Genetic evidence has also shed light on the timing and routes of human migration out of Africa, revealing how early humans spread across the globe and adapted to diverse environments. By comparing the genetic profiles of modern populations, scientists have been able to reconstruct the migratory paths taken by our ancestors and uncover the shared genetic markers that connect us all. The study of ancient DNA continues to uncover new insights into human evolution, challenging our preconceptions and revealing the interconnectedness of all human beings. Modern human diversity is a testament to the rich tapestry of our shared heritage. From skin color and facial features to blood types and genetic markers, humans exhibit a wide range of variations. These differences are a result of genetic adaptations to diverse environments and selective pressures. Interestingly, despite these variations, genetic studies have shown that all humans share a common ancestor who lived in Africa around 200,000 years ago. This genetic unity highlights the interconnectedness of the human species and emphasizes our shared history. Embracing and celebrating this diversity is essential for fostering understanding, empathy, and unity among all people.